Okay, so Carlos has just finished using Ducky Showstopper, and what we have left is a real nice shine. How's it looking there, Carlos?
Beautiful.
And those are the steps the professionals take to end up with a glass-like finish. Alrighty, there you have it. Ducky compound, Ducky Showstopper, one more step into the decorating room, one more stop with Ducky Ultimate Polish and to the customer.
The Ultimate Polish